Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a premium mid-tower ATX case designed for high-performance PC builds, emphasizing excellent airflow and efficient cooling. This case comes pre-installed with 3 120mm fans to ensure optimal airflow right out of the box, effectively managing heat during intense gaming or workstation tasks. One of its standout features is the support for bottom-mounted fans, specifically aimed at dedicated GPU cooling. This design helps maintain lower temperatures for powerful graphics cards, which can otherwise suffer from heat buildup. The case's front panel and side vents are optimized for maximum air intake, making it ideal for air-cooled builds. The white finish adds a sleek, modern aesthetic that pairs well with RGB lighting and clean interior setups. Internally, the case boasts a well-thought-out cable management system with plenty of routing options, Velcro straps, and tie points, enabling a neat and organized build that improves airflow and overall appearance. The H7 Flow 2024 supports a wide range of components, including full-sized ATX motherboards, multiple storage drives, and tall CPU coolers, making it versatile for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts. Additional features include easy-to-remove dust filters, tempered glass side panels for showcasing builds, and ample space for future upgrades. In summary, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 White offers excellent airflow, smart cooling solutions for GPUs, and clean cable management, making it an excellent choice for users seeking a stylish yet highly functional mid-tower case. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a uniquely designed mid-tower ATX PC case focused on modularity and customization for high-end builds. It stands out with its fully modular flatpack design, allowing users to easily assemble and customize their PC layout according to their needs. This flexibility is ideal for builders who want a personalized build experience or frequently upgrade components. The case comes with a pre-installed 120mm SF black rear fan to provide essential exhaust airflow, supporting efficient heat dissipation for your system. A distinctive feature is the vertical GPU mount, which showcases your graphics card prominently while also improving airflow around the GPU area. Supporting ATX motherboards, the Qube 500 offers expanded compatibility for larger, high-performance systems, accommodating advanced setups for gaming or professional workloads. Cooling options are generous, with support for dual 280mm radiators, making it well-suited for custom water cooling or advanced AIO liquid cooling solutions. The case's interior is designed to maximize space and airflow, with room for multiple storage drives and large CPU coolers. The black finish offers a sleek, understated look that fits various build aesthetics. Additionally, the modular design enables easier transportation and maintenance, breaking down into flat components without compromising durability or structure. In summary, the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a fully modular, customizable mid-tower case that supports large motherboards, vertical GPU mounting, and extensive cooling options, all wrapped in a stylish black chassis. Number 3. InWin A3. The InWin A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is a compact, stylish case tailored for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want a high-performance build in a smaller footprint. Designed to support Micro ATX motherboards, it strikes a balance between size and expandability, making it an excellent choice for space-conscious setups without sacrificing functionality. One of the key features of the A3 is its built-in ARGB fan, which provides efficient cooling while adding vibrant, customizable lighting effects to enhance the overall aesthetics of your gaming rig. The ARGB lighting is easily synchronized with popular motherboard lighting software, giving users control over colors and lighting patterns for a personalized look. The chassis boasts a sleek black finish combined with a tempered glass side panel, offering a clear view of internal components and the dynamic lighting. Despite its compact size, the A3 supports multiple cooling options and adequate airflow to maintain stable system temperatures during intense gaming or workload sessions. Storage options are versatile, supporting both SSDs and HDDs, while the interior design prioritizes efficient cable management to keep the build neat and optimize airflow. The case also provides front and rear I/O ports for convenient access to USB and audio connections. Overall, the InWin A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is an ideal choice for gamers seeking a compact, visually appealing, and efficient PC case. Its built-in ARGB fan and thoughtful design ensure good cooling performance while delivering stylish lighting effects. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Tangerine Pickleball paddle is designed to deliver a vibrant and high-performance playing experience suitable for both novice and professional players. Its standout feature is the vibrant color design, making it visually appealing and easy to spot on the court. Built with a fiberglass surface, the paddle offers a perfect balance of power and control. Fiberglass provides a smooth hitting surface that enhances ball spin and accuracy, making it ideal for players who want precision in their shots. This surface material is also durable, ensuring the paddle withstands regular play and competitive use. At its core, the paddle uses a lightweight honeycomb core construction. This core type reduces the paddle's overall weight while maintaining excellent strength and shock absorption. The honeycomb design enhances maneuverability and quick reaction times, helping players execute fast and powerful strokes without fatigue. Importantly, the paddle is USAPA, USA Pickleball Association, approved, meeting official size and weight standards for tournament play. This certification makes it tournament legal and suitable for competitive matches at any level. Overall, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle is an excellent choice for players looking for a lightweight, durable, and powerful paddle that combines aesthetic appeal with performance. Whether you are just starting or competing at an advanced level, this paddle offers the right blend of accuracy, power, and control to elevate your game. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium full-tower PC case known for its elegant blend of modern minimalism and high functionality. Designed for enthusiasts and builders who want a spacious, well-ventilated, and visually striking chassis, the North XL combines robust construction with refined aesthetics. The case features a sleek charcoal black exterior with a dark-tinted tempered glass side panel, allowing a clear view of your components while maintaining a subtle, understated look. Its full tower size provides ample room for large motherboards, EATX and up, multiple GPUs, extensive cooling solutions, and large custom water cooling loops. Cooling and airflow are key strengths of the North XL. It supports multiple fan and radiator configurations, including up to 9 120mm fans and radiators up to 420mm in length, ensuring excellent thermal performance for high-end hardware. The front and top panels offer ample ventilation with magnetic dust filters for easy cleaning and maintenance. Internally, the case boasts flexible storage options with multiple mounts for SSDs and HDDs, and well-thought cable management routes help keep the build tidy. The PSU shroud hides cables and power supply, enhancing the overall clean appearance. Additional features include USB Type-C and USB 3.0 front I/O ports, robust build quality with steel and glass materials, and a modular interior design for easy customization. Overall, the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is ideal for PC builders who want a spacious, stylish, and highly functional case that supports top-tier components and advanced cooling setups.